Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and engage the parking brake. This prevents the vehicle from moving while you work. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid a 12V short when touching wiring. Use a wrench on the terminal and keep it off metal surfaces. Wear gloves and eye protection to protect skin and eyes from glass and sharp edges, and lay down a rag or towel to receive screws and small clips. Have a 10mm wrench, flat screwdriver, and a replacement 12V21W bulb ready before you begin. Open the trunk, remove the trunk floor cover and any cargo that blocks the tail light access panel. This gives you clear working space. Peel back the trunk lining or remove the plastic retainer clips to expose the tail light mounting area. Keep the clips in a small container. Use a 10mm wrench to remove the two nuts and a flat screwdriver to pry off any clips. Then gently pull the tail light assembly straight out toward you without twisting. Once the assembly is free, grasp the bulb socket and twist counterclockwise about a quarter turn to release it. Then pull the bulb straight out of the socket. Handle the replacement 12V21W bulb by the base, not the glass, to prevent oils from shortening life. Insert it firmly into the socket until it seats and then twist the socket clockwise to lock it into the housing. Carefully push the tail light assembly back into the body, align the mounting studs, and reinstall the two 10mm nuts hand tight, then snug them with the wrench. Do not over-tighten to avoid cracking the housing. Reinstall plastic clips and trunk lining, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and test tail, brake, and turn signals to confirm operation before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.